Hi! Welcome to my channel. This is Pinky and today I'm going to unbox a MacBook laptop. So, this is not mine. This is my friend's, but she prefers that it be sent to me so that I can set it up first before she receives it. So, yun, i-unbox na natin. Same when I received mine. Yun. Yun oh. MacBook Pro. She's been waiting for this for months. And yun, this is a MacBook Pro. So this is the real box of the MacBook Pro. And i-unbox din natin yung box inside the box. Okay, so naka-plastic pa siya. And then, charan! Okay, yun. So, her Mac is silver space ata to. Hindi ko maalala. Kasi nagpatulong siya sa akin sa color. I forgot. Kasi ang tagal na nito. So, this is it. This is her MacBook Pro. Makainggit. Mas mataas kasi yung specs ng MacBook Pro compared to MacBook Air. Yung sa akin Air. Pero, happy ako doon. So, meron siya plastic, ganyan. And this is it. So, bago natin buksan, ano pa bang kasama ng Mac pag bumibili ng Mac? Yan. Actually, konti lang. So, syempre yung cable niya, which is, yung cable ngayon is Type-C to Type-C. And, ito, ang laman lang naman ito is stickers. Tapos mga guide. And then yung sticker. Kung gusto nyong gumamit. Actually, ako hindi ko nagagamit yung mga sticker na yan. Yung previous Mac ko, nandyan pa rin yung sticker. Never used. And of course, since may cable, meron ding charger. Uy, mas malaki yung charger na compared sa Mac Air. Ganyan kalaki yung charger niya. So, Type-C to Type-C. Anyway, balik na natin yan. And this one, balik na rin natin. And, let's open her laptop. Ang ganda. Tapos, ang ganda nung Apple. Ganyan. Parang salamin. Kita ko yung lipstick ko pag nagsalamin. And, we will open it. Tcharam! So, meron siyang film. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanyang MacBook Pro. Pero ba't hindi nag-on? Usually, pag in-open, nag-on siya. Ooh, may something. So, wala siyang function sa taas. Pero meron siyang sensor. Finger sensor. And then escape. Bakit kaya siya wala dito? Hindi ko alam. I have no idea. And then, if we open it, hindi siya nag-open. I think low-bat ito. So, we will try. I-try natin. I-charge. And then, it should open kasi. So, first initialization. Pero ito hindi nag-open.
And now you will charge the laptop first and then set it up. Now we can start using it, but let's first take a look at the specs of this Mac. So this MacBook Pro is a 13-inch 2020 version with 4 Thunderbolt and 3 ports. And the OS currently installed is the Catalina version 10.15.16. It has 16 gig of DDR RAM, and the built-in display is 2560 by 1600 with Intel Iris graphics 1536 MB, and it has a storage of 1 terabyte. The latest OS of Mac is the Big Sur, so I'm going to update it now to the Big Sur. We're almost done with the update. So now let's take a look at the touch bar. So it's basically a touch screen the size of the function keys put together. And I am excited to explore this touch bar. So let's just finish the setup with a Big Sur. And now our OS is updated, and I chose the Big Sur image manually because I don't like the super bright colors. That's default when upgrading to Big Sur. So now let's start exploring what the touch bar can do. So here on the right side we have the Siri, and then the audio mute and unmute. Here's the volume adjustment. When you click this, the slider will appear and you can just slide to the left or to the right to adjust the volume. And also we have the brightness control, and there's also a slider to adjust the screen's brightness. Then if you click this arrow, the other function keys will show up. The play, forward, rewind, plus the other Mac function keys. So this touch bar is really cool and I'm really loving it. Now let's look at the Apple logo. It's like a mirror, see that? And this Mac has 4 USB-C ports. So 2 on this side, okay, and then 2 on the other side, plus the audio jack. And I believe that this audio jack is for TRRS connection. Now let's go back to the touch bar. So it automatically turns off when it's not in use, and you just need to touch it to see the function keys again. Right now, I'm in the Apple Store to update some applications installed in this Mac. And notice that the touch bar also gives me an option to use it to choose if I will accept or cancel. So instead of clicking the mouse or touchpad, clicking from the touch bar is much faster. Notice also that the functions appearing now in the touch bar are the same as the options you can see here on the screen, and I can just click easily from the touch bar, and look at that. This touch bar makes navigation faster, because if I use the touchpad or mouse, I have to point first to where I want to choose and then click. But here I just need to click. I really love this Mac because of the touch bar. Let's now try and open the Safari browser and look. The options or websites you can see on the screen also appears here in the touch bar. And you just click from this touch bar, and now I'm in the website that I chose. I can also click the search or enter website, and then I'll type the website and click enter. And here is the create a new tab button, and just by clicking it, a new tab is created. And let me try to click Facebook. And now I'm in Facebook. And notice in the touch bar that it has the two tabs, and I can just click the tab that I want to see and jump from one tab to another very quickly. I'll add another tab and let me open Twitter. And now you can see that there are 3 tabs in the touch bar. So this touch bar makes it easier to create new tabs and jump from one tab to another. And it really makes work faster, I think. Now let's shut down this Mac, and again you can see the options from the screen can also be seen in the touch bar, and of course I will use the touch bar to choose.
And that's the end of the unboxing of this beautiful laptop. I really love this MacBook Pro 2020. I wish this is mine, pero sa friend ko to, sa best friend ko to, so I have to return this to her. And what I love about this, number 1 yung specs, Intel Quad-Core i5 processor, and then 16 gig RAM, and 1 terabyte SSD storage. So, ang ganda, bongga. And most of all, nawaw talaga ako dun sa touch bar of this laptop. It helps you dun sa mga functions that you are frequently using sa different applications. So, it changes. It depends on the application that you're using. So, talagang wow na wow. Bonggang-bongga yung para sa akin. So, I hope to have a MacBook Pro in the future. Lord, please. So, and that's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.